you guys how to make a very delicious plant-based version of Caesar salad dressing. It is so good and creamy and tangy and peppery and all the delicious things that a Caesar dressing should be. You can use it for other things like marinades, for tofu, dressings, dips, you name it. I can't wait for you guys to make it. When we approach late spring and early summer, I really start craving fresh, crunchy salads, and I need delicious salad dressings for me to enjoy salads. So I have a really, really nice vegan Caesar salad dressing recipe. It is tangy, it's briny, there's no anchovies in it, it's totally vegan, but it tastes so similar to dairy-based Caesar salad dressing. I also have made some delicious crispy tofu croutons in my salad today. It's actually just my crispy baked tofu recipe, which is right up here for you guys to try. It works so great as croutons because they are packed full of protein. They keep you so much fuller than just regular bread-based croutons, and they're delicious. You'll love them. So let's get right into this dressing recipe. I know you guys will love it. Alright guys, so for this recipe you only need a handful of very simple ingredients like lemon juice, garlic, capers, tahini, and Dijon mustard. So we're going to first start by finely mincing up our garlic cloves. You can use a garlic press if you wish. And you're also going to finely mince up your capers. Now grab yourself a large bowl or a jar if you're going to make this dressing and save it for later. And add in your lemon juice, the tahini, the Dijon mustard, a little splash of the caper brine just to add a little extra brininess. Bless your capers, add in that minced garlic, a little splash of water to help thin it out, and we're just gonna whisk it all together until it's nice and creamy. Now, still a little too thick for my liking, so I added a little extra water to thin it out. And I'm just gonna add some freshly cracked black pepper and salt for seasoning and whisk it up until it's thoroughly blended and creamy. And then, since I'm making a Caesar salad, I'm just adding in all of my chopped romaine lettuce, and I'm just tossing it until it is totally covered in that delicious Caesar dressing. It is honestly so delicious, you guys. I also baked up some of these crispy croutons made from tofu, and they're just darn delicious, and I love this salad so much. I really hope you guys loved this salad dressing recipe video. It was just so good, and this seriously is going to like change my summer this year. It's been a long time since I had Caesar salads on the regular, so this is super exciting for me. I hope it is for you too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below. I have so many other delicious recipes on this channel, and I pump out tons of videos every single week, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye! All hail Caesar! All hail Caesar! Oh god, I'm such a dork.